I got the point. Okay, so yesterday we had seen the string method. So everyone know how to, it means how to create the string. How to create a string?
Single quote and double quote.
Yeah, so with the help of single quote or double quote, we can create a string. So today we will learn different methods of a string. As like yesterday we had learned one method. What was the method? Can anyone explain? What was the method? Who is removing him from
New
the call?
new method.
No, not a new method.
Question.
Yesterday we had seen one method. 1 second, let me add him. Yesterday we had seen one method of a string. Which method that was?
Length.
Length, yeah. So how to calculate the length of any string? Okay,
We
so
use property dot length.
with the help of a dot length property, we can save that, means we can calculate the length. Fine. So let's calculate one more time. So let's create one variable. Let
Sir, are you sharing your screen?
1 second, sorry, I think.
Because it is not visible.
Yeah, it's not shared. Sorry. 1 second. Now see. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're going to create one variable. First means a string, and then we will calculate. So how to create the variable? Let data student data equal to. We will pass the variable. Fine. Let's calculate something. This is my pen. We written something. Save. Next. H1 string string method method. Okay, we will check in the console part. That will be fine at least. Okay, so how to get that length of this is my pen, means how much character is there. So how we can check? LCULAT to calculate length of string. Yeah, so what was the property? So we will write inside log log. Okay, and what is the string? So a string is a student, correct?
Student data dot length.
Student data, and this is a string. Now we have to first verify whether this is a string or not. How to verify that? Abhishek, how to verify that whether it is a string or not? Which method?
For
Or which Sweta, how to verify that
Sir,
type?
type of.
How to verify type of?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, please be means keep a speed. Okay. Because in now see everybody has reached up to JavaScript. Okay, now we are not in HTML. So please you have to use your mind, catch the word fast. Interviewer not going to tell you one by one. Okay, so we got that this is a string. So how we can calculate the length of the string? So the property name is, what is the property name? Property name is dot length. So what is, who is the string? So what is the variable of the string?
Dot length.
Correct. So we
Student
can take
data dot
directly
length.
dot length. And see when you will put dot, okay, after dot automatic you will get suggestion. So pass this LE we got the length. No need to add any this type, means this is not any method. This is a property. Because in method, we have to pass that parenthesis. This is a property. So be passing directly. No need of that one. Anyone having issue in property and method? Yesterday we had seen that. Method, in the sense you have to pass this type parenthesis. But if not method, directly it will come. So now we got that there are 14 character in that string. So this way we can calculate the length of any string. Clear? So this is one method for calculating length of the string. Now come to the second. If you have to extract, suppose you had written this is my pen. If you want to extract something, okay, suppose that this is A to Z. If I want to calculate this length, so the variable name is text, and here we had done text dot length. Means now who have the value of that calculated length? Who have that value?
The
This length property. This length
Length.
property. Correct.
Yes.
But
Right,
who is the method of length method? Who?
Text.
This one after text. Correct. So be means careful. That is variable length. Let length, that is variable. I will check
Yes,
now
sir,
in
yes.
the alert. Now I will check inside alert. Paste that and save. Now see, you will get that value. Where is the cursor? So it's showing that 26. Clear? So once you got the output, where you want to display, you can display. There is no restriction that you can display only in console. You can store data inside only alert, inner HTML, not in the database. You can do anywhere because now you have the data. You have the data. Where the data is there with variable we had stored. Okay, and for easy and convenience, we going to store the data with the variable part. Now second, now you have to extract the string part. Got it? Extract in the sense different properties there. By that you can like mango and mango juice. Okay, if you have to extract the juice from there, what you will do? You will put the machine, means a juice grinder or whatever. In that you will put, then you will extract both things, what juice and the raw of the fruit. You will extract that. Same thing we going to do in the case of a string. So there are different method. So there are total 3 method in the string part, extracting section. One is slice method. Okay, don't worry regarding this start and end. One is slice method. What is this second one is substring method, and next is substr method. Fine. Now see this, how, why we are telling method? Because of the what?
parentheses.
Because of the parenthesis. 1 second. So due to parenthesis, we are telling this as a method. And why we are telling this as a property? Because there is no parenthesis. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So who is object? This is object or not? Text.
No, sir.
Maybe you will get confused that this is not the curly bracket, that one, flower bracket.
Yes.
But this
Yes,
is
sir.
this is the object. Now you can check here the type of length. It will give you a string. 1 second. Instance, yeah. Not this type. Instance of object. 1 second. Instance means what? Child. Length is not the object of instance. It will give you true or false, whether it is object of that or not. Let's check alert. What we got? True. Because alert is the object, means instance of object. Everything, see, in interview they are asking what is object, means alert is object or not. So everything in the JavaScript, that is, who is the root? Root means object. See what B was writing. B was writing like this. This was also object. Fine. And without that also everything in the JavaScript like console, window, these all are the object, means instance of object. Not object, instance of object. Object means instance means child. Okay. So these all are the instance of object. So how to check whether instance of object or not? With the help of instance of property. In interview, they are asking that question. So don't be confused that what is object and what is this object. Both are same. If anybody will tell you how to get the data from the object, then you have to think regarding our curly braces object. Okay. But if anybody telling you how to check instance of object, then you can think regarding that instance of method. Got it? Mostly, normally everybody will discuss regarding our curly braces, this one object. Nobody will discuss regarding that one. But in interview, they are asking sometime that question. So we had seen that there are three methods. What was that? Slice, substring, and substr. So let's see that one by one. What is this one? What are you getting from the term slice? Any idea?
Peace.
Pieces.
Sir, peace.
Yeah. So same
Yeah.
thing. Slice. Today I had given complete code of local storage. There was nothing pending in that. After that also, nobody had done.
Sir, but you
Slice.
deleted.
Yeah, because after that I realized I had already teaches everything. Then they will use at least. Whether mistake or correct, that's not the issue. At least they will do something. Then only they can use their mind. But everything gone best. Okay. So slice. What it will do? Slice means extract the part of a string and return the extracted part in a new string. Let it to be. The method takes two parameter. Okay. It will take two parameter. What will be the start position and end position. What is thinking? What will be the output? So see, what will be output? A start is that is sorry, str, that is our string. Okay. Here this will okay. Let's check first. First check that how much length of the string. How to check length?
We can
Tell me how
use
to write the
str dot length.
str dot length. First save. Let's comment. How much character is there? Total 19. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And see one thing. If you have to pass so now 14, 26, 19. I don't know which one is from which one. Correct. Whose length is which one. So write something a string there. So you can easily get that this length is for that one. Okay. So I will write here. One means we can write like that arithmetic symbol also. We can write in other way also. What is other way? Just put one single quote or double quote, pass one comma. Okay. There is no error. Inside the single quote or double quote, write something whatever you want. So I want length length of str like this way. Clear? Now save. So see, you got this one. So now you can easily identify this is coming from length of str. That is 19. Clear? So why we passing the string? Just for identification purpose. 1 second. Okay. So now we're going to check regarding the string splice method. Uncomment this. Now tell me, we got the output. Please just speak fast. We got the output. No,
No, sir.
because we had not
Sir.
taken this. Because now the output came. This had work, but where? Let's check in the debugger mode.
Store in data, sir, in part.
Because, yeah, so it means whatever output it came here, fine, part, but we not taking any process by which we can display the output to user. So console.log. Now part is there. Just save. What you got? The output. Output
Banana.
become banana. Why? Because the out means we got a banana only, but here apple, banana, kiwi. Three things is there. Clear?
Because we
But
take 7.
yeah. So now what it going to do? Let's say do one thing. Remove 7 and pass 0. Let's save. What you got?
Then apple
We
also
got
come. Yeah.
yeah. So first value means first argument, that is a start index. What is that one?
Slice start, comma, end.
This is your starting index. Fine. So now see. So what happened here? Here be passing slice and this become your starting, means which one you want to slice. Okay. So from where you want to start. So be started from the 0. Maybe be thinking 0 means they're neglecting. No issue. Take 1. Let's save. What is that? Now A removed.
Sir,
What?
A removed.
A removed. And what we got in the output? We got the remaining. Correct. And what is it? 13? 13 means what?
A, last banana A.
Last one. No, not banana
Yeah,
A.
up to A letter.
13 means end. Okay. 13 means second argument. Don't take 13 and 1 like that. First argument is a starting one and second
Sir,
argument
but
is
it's in
ending
this
one.
19 na.
Yeah, 1 second. But up to where you want. I not want complete. We will come on that. But just focus here. Slice method, it will take 2 value, 2 argument. From 2, first will be a starting index, means a start one. Second will be end one. So where you want to end? I want to end at 19. Okay. And take first one as 0. Now save. We got completely. Apple, banana, kiwi. Is there anything cutting there? It had extracted any word?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
It given completely. I not want the complete. I want a start, means I want to remove that apple completely. What I will pass in the starting one? So see, calculate.
0, 1, 2, 3,
A
4,
become
5,
A
6.
become 0. Fine. A become 0 because when we had written
0
0
to
that
4.
time. Yeah. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take from 4 and let's see what happened. What we got?
Also
We got
coming.
a E.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
5, 6, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, yeah, means 4 means it not taking that one. Now take 5. Fine. So now it came, but 1
6.
comma is there. Okay. I not want the comma. Remove the comma. Take 6. Save. But see one thing. Yeah,
Space is
correct.
coming, sir.
Space is there. I want to remove the space. So pass 7. Now see that it is parallel to L. 26, 1. This all become parallel. Means now we removed the apple. This complete. Fine. So where we reached? We reached up to 7. But how much the length? Completely. So take this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, count up to a space. This is 7. But we don't know whether this is 7 really or not. Do one thing. Remove this. Fine. Let's save. What is the length? Length becomes 7. Means if we not want this one, then you have to take a 7. Next, this become your starting index. Fine. And what is the second one? Second one is ending one. Fine. Means end. So this is a starting, this is end. So from where to where we got? We removed apple and we got from banana to kiwi. Now I not want the key also. This line. Now tell me what I will pass here. Total line.
7 to
Total line.
14.
7 to 14. So let's see. We getting. So we got that 7 to 14, but one comma is there, means 13. Got it? So this way we can extract and we can means we have multiple line, and out of that, suppose in question that you have to extract some specific text. By this slice method we can extract that and we can display that. So in programming time questions, they telling like that. Suppose that you have take one question. Wait. str1 part 1 str1 dot slice str1. Is this fine? Anywhere more? Yeah, str1. What I want that this sorry, my school name is which one? DPS, Delhi Public School. See the question. You have to tell the answer. Display DPS in console. Tell me how to display that.
But it came from OL to M.
So display DPS in console. So how, what we will do? Hello.
Yes,
I have to display this DPS in console, means I want that value only. Tell me how to display.
Sir, we
Console.
let first we take
First make
let,
one variable. Yeah, that will be good
then
actually. So
then
yeah,
str dot slice.
wait, make one variable part 2 or part 1 equal to
str dot slice
dot
slice. Take 19 comma 21.
this become a starting comma 21. Okay. Now
And in,
save
in console
console part
part 1.
1. Fine. I want to show here my school name like that. My school name is fine and save. So what happened? Where is the output? What you done actually? Length is 23. Okay. str my school DPS. Okay. str1 dot length. Fine. Oh, we have to take str1.
Oh yes, sir.
Yeah. So see
Take
what we got.
22.
We get a DP.
22.
S is not there. So pass here 22.
22.
Let's save. Got it. So we got a school name is DPS. Clear? Praful?
Yes,
Everyone got it? Abhishek? Samsad got it?
Sir.
So this way, what we can do, we can extract that particular value, which one we want. Okay, like this is my complete paragraph, this is complete a string, and if you have to extract, what are you doing? You are calculating, that means a length, a start and end. You can pass that value, it will give you the result. So this way we can calculate that. Anyone having any issue? So one method, that is slice, and it taking that start value and end value and it giving. Now came on the explanation of this one somewhat. Maybe I don't know whether you will get or not. That is the thing. So see what it doing actually. It going to slice, means it going to split out this thing, whatever we want, starting and ending one, and it returning to us, correct or not? It returning where? To this variable. It is storing the value there.
Sir.
But one thing is there. See, take care of the word. Extract the part of a string and return the extracted part in a new string. This is the most important. It storing the value, means sorry, it extracting with the help of slice method, okay, and it storing into new string. In interview they are asking mostly whether slice will create a new string or not. So it will create the new string. What it doing? It extracting the value and creating the new string. Where is the new string? Part 1. Because who is the original string? Who is the original string? What?
Sir,
False, sir.
Original string is str1.
yeah, STR1. Yes, sir.
This is your
Yes,
original
I am
string.
sure.
But
STR1.
after doing the slice method, it going to create this become your new string, complete new. Okay, and it going to store here. Fine, and it going to displaying that, because now you can do one thing. Let me do one thing here. So like this way. original original string, comma str1. Take care always regarding the variable part. Otherwise, it will become problem. New string. So I taken two things: original string and new string. This way, see, these all things for separating purpose. You can do this. It will show in the console separation. Then you know that means you will get the idea. So this, see the original string. What is the original string? My school name is DPS. This is your original string, and this become your new string. Yesterday we had seen one thing: how to create the new string with the help of which keyword?
New and
New keyword. We can create that new string, but what I had suggested there, for number, a string, boolean, and for object, for not for object, for these all things, we never going to create the new string, because that is not good. It going to slow down the process. Okay, so we not going to create, but it automatic going to create. How? Let name to equal to something. Okay, this automatic become your new string, means always be going to create the string like this way only. No, never we will do that new string. New like this type, that was correct or not? This way we had seen. So we will never do this thing in this case. Fine. Yeah. So this way what slice method had done? Slice method had taken the string and it had created a new string and returned the new value. So please keep in mind, in last I will ask who all had created the new. Okay. So first thing, slice method, it had created the new string. Okay. So second, it taken the two parameter, a start position and end position. So here Ind not included. Let it to be one thing. We will come there. So the example slice out a portion of a string from position 7 to position 12. 12 means 13 minus 1. Let's do one thing. What is the position here? Last position. We taken this one last. We taken this one last position or what?
Yes, sir. End. No, it's not last.
No. This is not last. A comma is there. Okay, do one
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Control C and so I want last value, not the means a starting value. I want that the output from a starting to ending.
By 22 to 23, sir, I think.
How much?
22,
22,
23, 22.
comma 23.
Yes.
24 is
Okay.
the last, I think.
No, that's fine. Because see this, 23 is the last length of the str. Okay, 23. But I don't know, means say that whether the 23 will be last, 22 will be last for anyone. Means I want to pass one universal value. Whether you have 50 also, it will be accepted. Got my point? I want like that
Yes, sir.
value. Which value I can pass here in place of 23?
Pass any value, sir. After 23, you pass any value to.
str1 dot length. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, you can pass. Sir.
What is the length? 23?
Total length? Yeah, sir.
Automatically, it's so. Yeah.
Got it? Automatic, it is
Yes,
taking
sir.
you to last value. Clear? Means now if you will that wait, let me what is that one? DPS. Remove this also. So see what happened. Oh, it given a space. A space or what?
No, sir. Do you take start is 22, but total length is 21 only.
Okay, got it. Do one thing. Take from 0. That's fine. Okay. Now save. Yeah. So see what happened here. We passed that 0 and str dot length minus 1. Means now we are not telling that 23 is the last length or 50 is the last length. Automatic, it will take last length in the sense str1 dot length. Got my point? This become for getting always last value, no need to pass that 23, 24 like that after counting. Directly you can pass this variable because this will give you the length. Correct? If you want one number before, means 23 is the last length, I want always 22 second value. How to get?
Minus 1.
str1 dot
Minus
length
1.
minus 1, sir.
Just pass
Minus
minus 1.
1. Yes, sir.
Fine. So this will give you always one value less. See that we got a DP is gone.
Sir? Sir.
Means ways of writing that.
Voice breaking.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, you are not audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it's audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So one thing that is very means good, you can tell that without passing that means hard coded value, always in the programming, what we always trying to take that dynamic value, no dependency how much data you had passed. Okay. So always we will go like this way. If you have to calculate length, last length, total length, you can go like this. If you want before one value, always you can go like this way, -1. Clear? You can pass that hard coded also. It's not the issue. But in case of hard coded, you have to calculate. Now, no need of calculation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This one or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So always
Yes.
means we can pass that length, and then you can pass if you want one means one letter before, you can pass -1. If you want two letter before, you can pass -2. As much you can pass. Got it? So this way it is, you can tell this is the dynamic process of getting the last one, considering last value. Everyone clear why we taken this str1 dot
Sir,
length?
if we want more than 1 minus, then like
See, if you want means
sentence is very
always,
large. Yes, sir.
yeah, you can pass that. That's not the issue. But why we taking this one? Suppose that you want always in all that text that always I want the last one. Got it? Always I want the last letter in all case. Then you can go like this way. Clear? Means
Yes.
if condition will be like that always I want the last two letter of all member. Suppose that we had entered our name. Okay. What I want everybody name and last letter only, not a starting letter. I want last letter. ABHI. Okay. Mistake. Then next SHIVANI. Next SWETHA. This type. And what I want always last letter. How to get that last letter?
Yes, sir, we passed -1.
Just we can pass that length -1. I'm not going to worry how much letter you have. No, but I want always last letter, last two letter, last one letter. You can go like this way. Got it? Because now there is no dependency how much total length you have. Otherwise, you have to calculate here. How much total length this one?
7.
Abhishek, how much character in your name?
8.
7.
No,
Yes,
sir. 8.
8.
8, sir, 8.
7.
Abhishek, had you forget addition? Shivani,
No, sir.
6.
addition
Yes,
you know?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Shweta 6. Now see, all have different value, 8, 7, 6. Now if you have to calculate the length, then you have to go like this way, hard coded value. Correct or not? And then you will take the last value. Now I not want like that. What I want, everyone, whether they have a 10 letter, 5 letter, 18 letter, not the issue. I want the last value. How we can take? Directly str.length. It will give you the last. Got it? What is the benefit? Clear or not?
Sir, str dot length -1.
-1 means whatever you want before
Okay, sir.
str.length, it will give you the last value. If you
Okay.
want one before of last, means in your letter, total 8 word. I want the 7th one. What you will do? You will -1.
Okay, okay.
Got it? So that is the thing. Means that is the dynamic process of getting that value.
Sir, in place of 1, we can add 2 or 3. Then also they give 1.
Yeah. See, if you will pass it 2, it will how much means now it will take length -2. It will do.
Yeah, up to D take.
Okay.
See, up to D it taken means now we had reduced up to there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it will take like that way. Clear? Everyone? So slice method, what it had done, it had created the new array. New string. Keep in mind this thing. Now next, the method takes two parameters. One is the start position and other is the end position. End not included. Let it to be. Next, now this example slice out a portion of a string from the position 7 to portion 12. And you know the word this end not included. It not taking the last one. Means total length is, what is the total length? Total length is 19. It will not take 19. It will take up to 18. Like that actually. That is the thing, end not included. Okay. So we had seen that how we can extract this one. Next, JavaScript count position from 0. From where it starting? It is starting from 0, not taking from 1. Got it? So first position will be always 0 and 1 will be second position. That's why last will be not include, because one position got reduced. Total is 19. What will be the position of last one?
18.
What?
19.
18. Who telling 19? Abhishek. What I told just now. SHEK. What will the position of this one? What is A position? Abhishek?
0.
1 second. Abhishek, what is the position of A? 1, correct?
Yeah. No, sir. 0, 0, 0. For 0 counting
0.
0, 1.
Yeah. So you have to count like this way. 0, 1, 2, sorry, 2, 3,
2,
4, 5, 6,
7.
7. But how much total length?
8.
Total length is 8. Got it? Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
clear? Total
Yes,
length
sir.
of
So,
this
in
character become,
JavaScript, we count 0 for starting with 0.
yeah. So due to starting from 0, last one 8 become reduced due to 0, 1. Correct? If suppose we will start from 1, the last will be 8. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
JavaScript, we are counting from the 0. Whether you will get array, a string, will start the counting from the 0. So if 0, then last will be 7, not 8. That's why the text was written here. Where is that gone? Yeah. So text is written, the end position. What is the end position? End position is 7. But if we will calculate like 1, 2, 3, then it end is 8. So here what that is written, the end position, end not included. Not included in the sense this is length 8. Because now we will think this last is 8. But this is not 8. End is 7 because we are calculating the position. Clear or not? We are calculating the position. That's why end will be not 8. It will be 1 less. Okay. So next, yeah. So first position will 0 and second will be 1. If a parameter is negative, the position is counted from the end of the string. Now the position was counted from where?
For starting to end.
Start to end? Yeah. Yeah. So here be taken something. I will not take this one. I will take some name. SWETHA. Sweta. Sweta, I writing your name always. Okay, you have to give treat.
sir.
Okay. What? For whom? For why? Your name will be popular on YouTube. That's why.
Yes.
So see, what be written here? str equal to some name character. So now tell me, what is the length of this one? Fast.
6, sir.
Let's verify. str. Let's say.
Five.
Here, dot length.
Where that? Oh my God. Dot length. Let's
Yes.
save. 6. Who telling 5?
No, sir. 0 to 5 we can write inside. Okay, sir.
I
For
taken say length.
no, sir. For
I not
start
taken
and end,
position.
I think. Yes, sir. Sorry. Sorry.
This is the effect of AI. Okay. So str dot length be taken the length. What is the position of last one?
5, sir.
5.
That is 5, sir.
5.
5, sir.
Yeah. So
That's
now
minus
take
1.
that. Let's part. Yeah. Save. Now what I want some position from means last value. What we will pass? 0. 0 become the starting one, comma. Second, what will be value? It will return 0, 0, 1. What value?
Yes, yes.
Abhishek,
Yes.
1 second.
Yes.
Abhishek, what will be the output? This case.
Sir, SW.
SW.
SW. So see, we got SW. Correct?
Yes, sir. Only yes.
Only S, sir.
Because it is, yeah, because we started from 0 and end is 1. Correct? Starting from 0 and end is 1. In the sense, it taking only a starting one. It not taking the end one. Got my point?
Okay,
I
sir.
start
Okay.
it including the starting one in the line that was written. It taking see. A start is 0, so it taken 0. 0 is S. Fine. And when you calculating, then it will not include the last one. But yeah, it will go up to that. Suppose now be taken 1. It not taking the first position. Okay. Let's move to second. Now tell me up to where it will go.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Sir, SW.
now see how much a date means how much he have the value. 0, 1, 2. Correct or not? This much position they have now. 0, 1, 2. But what is the last? Last one is 2. So it will not include the last value. Got my point?
Yes.
As like if you have to tell to calculate 5 days, suppose that. What you doing? Present days you not means mostly we are not calculating that. Correct? So as like that, last is suppose that 2. We're not going to calculate the last one. Fine? We will
So,
not calculate because
it is going to omit this value.
yeah, means last one it will not take. Got my point? 0, 2 we had taken here. We had taken here 0, 2. In the sense it will go 0, 1, 2. Up to here it have to go, but it will not take this value. So the output will be 0 and 1. Let's see. We got SW. Got my point? Means last value it will not take. Now,
Sir.
just 1 second.
Yes,
Wait.
sir.
We will come on that. Whatever dot you have. Now tell me up to where it will go. 0, 1, 2, next, comma 3, comma 4. Whether it will take the last value.
TH. H, sir.
Will it
Up
will
to
take
H.
fourth value? It will take fourth value or not?
Yes, sir. Stay.
Why it
Yes.
will take the last one? It will
No, sir,
not take
not
because
3.
Sweta, see this. What is the last value?
4,
Means
sir.
last position. Last position is fourth. So be written like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to last. But last it will not take. It
will
omitting the last one.
Up to T, sir.
Yeah. So 1 second. I showing you the line. See this line. Got something here. Ind not include the end position. Got it? So what is the end position? End position is 4. Okay, so it will not take 4. It will go up to 3 only. Let's see how much value came. SWET up to 3. So see, this become your first, second, third, and sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have doubt, now tell me.
Yeah, sir. In place of 7, it taken full.
Okay. Now wait. Come to there. What is the length? Length is 6. If I will take 6, now tell me up to where it will reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whether it will take 6 or not.
It will take up to 5, sir.
It will take up to 5. Up to 5 in the sense, what will be the output?
Full name, sir.
Full name. SWETHA.
Yeah, sir.
0. Let's calculate. This becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's save. So we got the completely.
Yes,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Is it clear now for others? How it taking the value?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubt? Now tell me. No doubt. Fine. Now come to something. Now we are giving the positive value. Positive value, so it's taking from the start to end. Means left to right. Now give negative value. Okay, and let's see what it going to do. So I will not give this value. I will pass -6 and 0. Let's see where is the output. 1 second.
How can you pass, sir? -6, -0, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Dot
-5. I did.
length,
Minus.
sir, -5 to, sir, -5 to 1 you can pass, sir.
Oh, opposite we have to. -5, -1. Let's save. So we got the value. Fine. Because what it going to do, see here. It's like number number system. Who know number system? Any idea? Anyone? In 9th standard, we had studied
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do this one. This is your reference. Fine. This
Sir.
become your 0.
Graph, sir.
Graph. It came graph. Okay, take something reference here. Fine. Now take value. 0. Take somewhere like 1. Take somewhere 2. Somewhere 3. This become this side. One second.
Sir,
0.
take image from Google, sir.
Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3. Who have some eye issue, please keep concentrate over here. So now,
Sir, I have an eye issue, sir.
okay. Then purchase 5 kg apple, okay, Samir, and give to us also. We also having some issue. We all will eat together.
Right? Sir, why need to purchase right now?
Samir bhai,
If you
I'm
want, then
your
I-
padosi.
भाई हम लोग
कौन
पड़ोसी हैं
तुम भी
खाने टाइम में हम लोग पड़ोसी हैं, ठीक है, बाद में देखा जाएगा जो है सो।
Sir, literally right now he is my Padosi, literally right now.
Right now, not for means tomorrow, just for today. He is like saving account. So see, now we taken like that. This become your ये श्वेता के चक्कर में सबका आँख खराब हो जाएगा. See, this is 0. Due to your problem, everybody will get the eye issue. Okay.
Sir, why you explaining this thing?
That's
Wait,
why I
wait.
explained.
Sir,
Becoming Shivani, 1 second. Sabr karo, sabr karo. So see here. From here, 0 is starting from the this direction, means a increasing order of the number, correct? But when we moving in the left side of the direction, this side, the value is BR, means who is the greater value? -2 or -5? Who is the greater?
-2, sir.
-2.
-2 is greater. So, and
Yes.
when we will take the value, so we have to take a first value this side, first value this side, and then we have to move this side of value. Got it? So that's why we had taken there first value like a less one, because -5 is the low, correct or not? This value is the low, correct? And this value become high. Is this opposite or correct? Is this correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That will be
Correct,
low,
sir.
means a small, it's a smallest value, and it will be the largest value. So that's why we taking their opposite case, not like 5, 2 and 5. There be taking the opposite. The value who have the low, means a high number with negative, that will be the smallest number. Like if I telling you, you have 5,000 rupees, okay, and if you add 5,000 and 1,000, now add minus. Now 5,000 is the more, 1,000 is the less. Add minus here and add minus here also. Now who is the means low and which is more? So 1,000 become comparing to 5,000. This become high value, and this become your low value. Got it? So same thing we had taken there also. See, we taken -5 because this is the low value, and then this become your high value. So low to high, as like here we had taken 0, 4, 0, 2. So due to that I had explained this. So this way we will increase. So -5, then -1. The same thing it will go, like how much you can pass that. Let's take 0. It will not give anything. Will it give? No. -2. Yeah. This value we have to increase. So you can pass -6. It will be starting value. -6 become a starting. Then pass this one. -5, which will be -5, which will be now S only. Okay, because the total length is 6. So it's started from the -6, then -5, -4, -3, like this way, means a decreasing order. Clear? And last will be -1, because 0 will be not. It will not take that. Got it?
Sir, one
Yeah.
time pass if only -1, it's work or not, sir?
-1.
Sir,
No, it
I think no need of this
Yeah,
minus things, sir.
it is taken. What you telling, Samir? Samir, what you telling?
So I think that scenario will not get in future, sir.
Don't worry, you
In
will
this
not get
type
in
of scenario
future.
will not get any future
telling-
because -6 and minus.
I telling you the scenario where you will get this. In the first attempt itself of the
Okay.
interview, they will ask that. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, today interview asking HTML and CSS question also, sir.
Where?
Sir, ERA test.
Oh, had you given?
Yes, sir.
Samir, one thing to keep in mind, this minus concept is too confusing, and in interview they are asking this. Okay, this string method, whatever we are learning now, each method is important, and each line, whatever we are speaking, is the important. Okay, this red mark, this is too important. Who is going to create the new string? This is more important. Okay, keep in mind.
All string methods
Suppose,
are create a
no,
new.
not all. Means, yeah, a string it will create. We will move in the number, a string, array, many things are there. So who all are creating that? That is the most important. Second, end position, where it will increase, means from where it going to start. It will start from the 0. Last it will take or not. So that is the case. Okay. Now maybe you all thinking it's very easy, but when you will start work, that time you will see. During learning, it's all thing is easy. Okay, don't worry. Okay, but it's easy, really. If you will practice, you will get the idea. Okay, next. If you want to omit the second parameter, okay, the method will slide out the rest of the string. Means if you will not give any value, means only one parameter, it will consider this as a starting and there will be no any ending. Got my point? So let's take that. We had passed here text a string equal to Sweta. Let's pass that, take the value, and now see let part equal to str dot slice. Now we going to slice, and how much we going to pass? Pass
0.
2. Okay, 0. Then what will be the output?
Sweta.
So its output will be Sweta. Fine. Now pass here 2. Praful, what will be the output? Shivani, what will be output? Let me fill
Sir,
water
E.
meanwhile. E.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
E2 last, sir.
Yes, sir.
let me see who all is sleeping. Everybody telling
Yes,
E. Okay.
ETHA.
E2
ETHA.
last.
Okay. E2 last. Praful told E. Let's save. What is the output? It taken up to last. Correct or not? Why? Can anyone explain why it taken up to
Yes,
last?
sir.
It's a
Because
first
you
value,
not
sir.
decide the last value, sir.
Because we had
Low to high.
omit.
Okay, sir.
See, one second. Abhishek, what you told?
Sorry, sir, I'm giving minus ending value.
See, I have very sensitive eye ear. Okay, if you will speak a single, I can catch easily. Keep mind here. What is this? If you omit the second parameter, the method will slide out the rest of the string. Means if you will not pass the second one, means if you not passing second, it will consider the complete. Means that will be considered as a starting, and second parameter is not there. So a starting will be 2 and end will be all. Total length. Got it? If you not spoken anything, if you not replying, I considering you had understand like that way. If you not pass second parameter, it will consider all will be up to last. It will consider a start will be the digit which you had passed and end will be all. Clear? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me.
Sir, pass -1, sir, one time, sir.
Yeah, we will come on the negative scenario. So this way, suppose if you passing here 3, what is the value? Praful, send me what will be the value? Lalan, what will be the value? THA. Let's see. So we get that value because start will be that one, but end will be, there is no any restriction in the end. Now move to the next that negative value. Now tell me what will be the output? Minus 3. Minus 3. From where this will be decided?
SWE, sir.
SW?
E.
EWS. EWS. Telling from there. Let's see. We got THA. Why? Total length is minus 6. Let's see. Minus 6 means what? S or A? What?
Yes, sir.
S.
Abhishek, S or A? Minus 6. Shivani, minus 6. S or A? Who all is available? Let me check.
Sir, S. S would be, sir.
S should be okay.
Sir, I think yes.
Dharmender, Samsad, Vivekanand. Okay, fine, got it. Roshan is there. Okay. Okay, everybody is there then. Yeah. So S, everybody telling S. Let's see.
No, sir. Last up to last, sir.
Minus 6 in the sense the starting one.
Yeah,
It
sir.
going in the
But
reverse order.
yeah, sir.
Minus
Minus 1
it
to
become the
0.
starting. But where
Minus
is the
1
last
to
ending?
minus 0, sir. I think minus 1.
Minus 6
to
it
minus
become the
last.
starting one. Let's take minus 1. Now what will be this?
Sir, last one, sir. What is last one?
It
So
will
the
be A.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Because it is starting from the minus 6. Minus 6 is the last value. Means last in the sense starting value.
Means it's going negative in the sense reverse. It's counting like reverse.
Samir, this is not important. Just now you told
Yes.
you were sleeping that time. See,
No.
if you
Actually, what I'm
studied,
trying to say, yeah. Minus
Don't
in
try
the
to
sense we this value is going to give the from reverse order.
Samir, don't try yourself. Try it yourself. Okay, that will be helpful. When we are
Okay,
explaining, take care there. See, minus
Okay.
in the sense the last value. What will be the length? What is length? Length is the 6. Correct.
Six. Yes.
Just in the paint, what we had shown you, like minus 6, then minus 5, next minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0.
0.
Next 1, next 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Like this way. Means this become your starting one. Minus 6 become in the negative sense. This become a starting. Do one thing, simple. Remove this. Who is the starting now? Minus 6.
0.
Just go in. No. Go in same way, left to right. Don't convert from there. Left to right. Got that?
Yes.
You're sleeping.
Print this. Save. Oh, sorry. See, minus 6 we had taken. This become your starting. Correct. So a starting is minus 6. In the sense a starting is minus 6. If this will be 0 case, means a positive value, what will be that? Positive will be 0. Correct or not? Positive
Yes.
case.
Instead
Yes,
of
sir.
minus 6.
Positive where means in case of positive, it will be 0 value. But if this is negative, then it will start from the negative side. It's 0, then minus 5, minus 4, like this way. Clear? Or if this will be positive, go from the 0 up to 5. Clear? Others, everyone or not?
Yes,
If
sir,
anyone
got it.
having issue, tell me.
One time remove 6 and 5. Take
Okay.
5.
What will be output? 5. You want me 5. Okay. Now see, if he be, who is on unmute? Please mute. I think Dharmender. Okay. So minus 5. So see, minus 5 be taken in the sense starting is minus 5. So it will go up to 0. How much length it will come? S will be not there. After S, everything. Yeah, Praful, correct. So see, we got WETHA. Clear? Because we had removed this 5, means minus 6. Take here minus 3. Now tell me, -3 in the sense it will start from -3
Sorry,
and it will go up to
THA.
THA. Because last it will not take 0, it will not take, means this 3 value only. Correct? Okay. Means whatever pending, it will take all the remaining. 0 is not there itself. Let's remove this. By mistake I written. Fine. Clear? So this way we worked with the positive and negative scenario. See, total case what we had seen. Total 3 case we had seen. What was the case? Can anyone?
Yes, sir. First we take dot slice str dot slice.
So see what we taken. First case we had taken positive one. Means a positive value. Correct? Second we taken negative value. What was the third value?
0.
Third we taken only single, means a starting parameter. Correct or not? Means a starting value. 3 things we had seen. Only one argument. See that. Only a starting value. There is no ending value. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we had seen total 3 cases. So see, these all things keep in mind and write in notebook. Then only you will get the idea. And one more important, what? A string means a slice method. Slice method will create new string and it will return what? New string value. Clear or not? This thing clear? So this much we had discussed in the case of a string slice method. Anyone having doubt? Now tell me.
No, sir.
Fine. So see, now it's very simple. That is actually, I will not tell that this is very complicated. Very complicated things already we had seen. These all are simple, but use mind, you will get the idea. Because these are important things. In the programming, whatever programming we are getting, actually all programming is working around this itself. Means these all concepts. So please use mind at least. JavaScript means not only designing the form and those things. So second method, it will be simple because we had seen a lot thing in the case of slice. I start, end, from where to where it counting, position, this, that. Let add one more text there. What was the starting position? Starting position will be, what will be? Will be from 0. Okay. Yeah, somebody telling approach. Okay, so this much. So second thing, what is substring? Now see, substring is similar to slice. One more thing I got, wait. Yeah, already written, fine. So substring slice substring is similar to slice. Whatever we had done in the slice, it is same. But then what is difference? So difference is only cannot accept the negative index, in the sense substring will not accept the negative value. Got the difference or not? So in the case of slice, we was passing the negative value. Where we had passed negative value? See this. This was the negative value in the case of here, but in the case of substring, it will not take the negative value. Fine, let's see that. So how to take that? That's a simple.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in place of -6, we can pass length also, sir, like str dot
Yeah.
length.
I don't know. Let's check. 1 second. Wait. Let's verify. What happened? This one.
To open another file, sir.
Yeah, here itself we can do. Not an issue.
In place of minus
So
6.
here
we can-
itself. I think maybe not. But it's showing like that. Yeah, maybe we can. So what is that? str dot length -1. Let's save. Maybe we can. Line number 41. It's showing that. So pass here -2. Let's save.
And comma, put sir one comma. Remove
No,
minus.
not a comma. 1 second, beta I telling. Take this completely inside. Make that. Then I think maybe. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
got it. Take out.
Yes, sir.
Now this complete length. This is like 2, 3, 4, anything. And minus is adding on that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This complete bracket, this become after calculating, this will give some digit number. It become
Yes,
like
sir.
4, 5, 3. Means now we had added 3. So total length is 6. So it become 6 minus 3. It become 3. So within bracket that become 3. And now it applied the minus. So that is the value. But when we was passing this value, now what is the happening? It taking
Minus
this value.
not considered.
Yeah, so now it is -6 and -3. What is the value here? -6 and -3. It become minus
Minus 6.
plus. It become 9.
Yes.
It -6 and -3. Correct or not?
Minus.
Because the length is -6. Correct. And
Yes.
that -3 is there. So it become total -9. Minus plus. Correct or not? So
Yes,
it
sir.
giving you -9. But see, if you will pass some value in that range in the sense you can 1 second. Length we can't do that. -3. 617. No, we can't do that way. Because if you will pass here 0, suppose that take 0, then it will be minus plus and
Minus
6.
6 only.
Then it will be -6. Then anyway it will show you complete itself. Means complete name itself it will show. So you can pass in the bracket.
Brackets.
And it will. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this way. Okay. It's a good dot. Okay, so what we will do here, we will go and check with the substring method. Let's see what it will do. So here we will take some name. Do one thing. Now whatever name is written, we will take that itself. And now what is the output? What happened?
Banana.
Okay. And console.log. EART. Save. Now be getting banana. Fine. Do one thing. Do the same thing with let part equal to do means the same thing with the help of a slice method. Dot slice and pass the value. So 7, 13. Everybody know that. What will be the output in this case? It will start counting from 0. Start count. This becomes 0, 1, 2, 6, and 7 is the banana, but it will not include the starting one. So it will reach up to 6. Fine. Next, it will start from banana and it will go up to 12. Correct. So it will go up to 12. Let's save. as we had seen already, the case is this one, banana. Okay, now remove this banana and take substring method. Had you observed any difference in this case? In this both?
Space is
No. There is no difference actually. In the case of positive, there is no difference. It also creating new array, new string after the extraction, after the extracting the value and passing to some variable, and it is returning the new arrayed value, means a new extracted value. Correct? It extracting and it returning the new extracted value. Same thing. But now come to the negative scenario. The case is this one. Negative. Cannot accept the negative indexes. Now pass the value. Pass here. What? How much? Minus 13. Wait. Who is sleeping? Anyone sleeping? Yeah, you.
No, sir.
Yeah, you can sleep. This is night time. Everybody taken dinner or not?
No,
Yes,
sir.
No.
yes, sir.
Dharmender, sorry. I can't do anything.
No, sir, he taken.
He taken.
No, sir.
He not taken.
No, sir.
You not taken. Why? You are on fasting.
Because I am not seeing the time, sir. Because I am coming 7 o'clock on the room.
Oh, then when you will go? Means to take that dinner.
So my dinner
Today
is come here.
you will get your dinner there.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Apple. Fine. So let's see that. Be written this apple. Now str. Yeah. Here we will. From where this getting apple? Part line number 11. Oh, this one itself. But here we had not passed any value. So let's pass the value 1. It will start from where? 1 means what?
Sir, P.
P, sir.
P.
P,
What will be the output? What will be output?
PPLE.
PPLE. Let's see. So we got the PPLE. Fine. So now PPLE comma 3. What is the value?
PPL.
PPL. Let's see. So we got a PP2. Means only 2 value it will take, not the third value. It will take 1, comma 2. Third value it will not take. Correct or not? Last one.
Yes, sir.
As in slice we had seen last value it not including. So same thing is going. But now take the last means both value as in negative type. Fine. So what will be negative value? From where it will start?
Sir, in slice it will take last value.
No. Ask others. It was not taking. See.
Minus not accepting, sir, in substring.
1
But
second.
in case
See, Vani, see here.
Not
Clear? See this line, not say not included.
Shivani, don't sleep. Open your eyes.
No, she had eaten too much, I think. That's why.
sir,
Okay. So what will be the value here? Means what will be a starting value? Substring. If this will be slice case, suppose that slice case, what will be the starting value? Negative.
5.
In the negative sense.
5.
Minus 5. Okay, let's save and 1 second. Wait. Do one thing. Copy and pass there. Yeah. So take this SL slice. Yeah, minus 5. So see that what is the output? we not get any output. It means it's showing that apple. Where is the issue? -3. Yeah. So we got a PLE, something value we got. Let's take 4. A removed a PPLE. Fine. So now do the same thing with a sub-str. And let's see. Pass. It's doing, means it taking the value or not. So see, it's not. Who is on unmute? Who is mute? अरे
क्या धर्मेंद्र
धर्मेंद्र, तुम्हें रॉकेट लॉन्च कर दूंगा तुम्हारा। लग रहा है जैसे यूक्रेन का मिसाइल चला रहा है ये।
सर म्यूट था मेरा सर।
वो हो रहा है वही भाई, रसिया वाले वही कह रहे हैं कि हम तो चुप हैं लेकिन फिर भी मिसाइल चल रही है। वही तुम कह रहे हो, हम तो म्यूट पे हैं। Okay, so what we taken here, substring, and we had passed 4. But when we by doing same thing in case of slice, see, take care on the output case. Take care of the output. A got removed. Fine. Now comment. Now came to here. Now see, A is there. Clear. Now take this 4. Now take 3. Nothing is happening. 2. Nothing is happening because the negative value it not accepting. That is the main reason. Got it?
It would work for only positive number.
Yeah. Is not ACCEPTING accepting in which method? Substring.
String.
Okay. This is the main thing that you have to keep in mind. Substring not accepting the negative one. But all things like creating new array, starting, ending, these all will be same. These all scenario, whatever I written there, except negative one. Negative value will not take. A start value, no end value, it will take like that. Same thing. Slice method will create. Same thing. Substring method will create. It will return new string value. Yeah. So all things will be only one difference. That is the case. Negative value. Take care. In interview, it's asking. These are
difference
the
between slice and substring.
Suddenly they will ask the question, what is the difference between slice, substring, substr? You become 0, 100%. If you not taken care there, because when they telling the word, you will get confused within second. So you have to take care.
That time we are remember it, sir.
Yeah, got it. Don't worry, time will come.
Means
will also
right
see.
now, right now you are not going to remember. On that time, only you will remember.
Yeah. 3
Very
dot
intelligent
JS.
guys.
Why he will waste now time?
Yes,
He
yes.
will-
I appreciate him opinion, sir.
Shivani, you have exam tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
What subject
Till
now?
11th of March.
Oh,
Distributed computing system.
Sir,
What?
sir, Shiva,
Third question है कौन सा subject?
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है? माई कंप्यूटर. माई कंप्यूटर
My
सब्जेक्ट
computer
है.
and fundamental.
वो तो फर्स्ट सेम में था लग रहा है.
नहीं, distributed computing.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, हमें लगा माई कंप्यूटर है. दोनों सेम ही है.
ऐसे-
माई एनीवे जस्ट
शिवानी
माई को
तुम्हारा
डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड.
DSP है कि नहीं? DSP
क्या-
है कि नहीं तुम
क्या-
लोग का?
डीएसपी पर ली होगी पक्का.
Data structure.
ना वो डेटा डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग.
सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग सर।
बहुत खतरनाक पेपर है भाई, बच के रहना उससे. उसको डिग्री
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स था हम लोग
कहते हैं हम लोग.
को, डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स.
निकल गया भैया।
डीएसपी को
डिग्री
बोला जाता
स्टॉपिंग
है. डीएसपी का
डिग्री
फुल
स्टॉपिंग
फॉर्म है
पेपर.
डिग्री स्टॉपिंग
डिजिटल
पेपर.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स तो काफी इजी था.
हाँ वो तो था ही जी.
अरे शिवानी के लिए तो सब कुछ इजी है.
ये डीएसपी को बोला जाता है डिग्री स्टॉपिंग पेपर. जिसका एरियर आया वो क्लियर ही नहीं होगा.
बट मैं फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में कर लिया था भैया.
हाँ हम तो भाई एरियर लाए थे.
लाए थे तो हम भी थे, लेकिन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर लिए थे.
भैया का
मेरा
एक भी एरियर नहीं था।
मेरा एमपीएमसी सिर्फ एरियर था बस, और किसी में नहीं।
भैया का सीजीपीए सुनिएगा दिमाग ही घूम जाएगा।
नहीं घुमाना है, मत सुना तब।
नविंदर कितना था?
ना ना, शिवानी से
भैया
कम
का
होगा भाई, आप कुछ भी बोल दो, शिवानी से कम होगा।
8.5 है मेरा, 8.5 है।
बोला ना, शिवानी से कम है, क्योंकि हम लोग
ये
चोरी
सब
नहीं करते थे।
ये सब पढ़ाकू लड़के हैं, समझ गए सर, पढ़ाकू
हम लोग
बच्चे हैं।
पढ़ने वाले नहीं थे।
हम लोग
शिवानी
Right, sir.
शिवानी 9 पॉइंटर भी टीचर्स में ही है और 6 पॉइंटर भी टीचर्स में ही है।
जे
वही तो बात है,
शिवा
कोई मैटर ही नहीं करता है, बस अप टू 6
कैप्जी
होना
में
चाहिए।
जो
अमरदीप
में
उतना
चल
भी
जाओ तो
छोड़िए,
डिग्री भी नहीं है तो।
अमरदीप पे
अप टू
एरियर भी
6 होना
5 में,
चाहिए
वो भी
और एग्जाम के लिए, एग्जाम का
शिवानी एक
क्राइटेरिया
चीज
होता
सुनिए,
है।
जिसके पास 5 एरियर है वो भी टीसीएस में ही है। जिसका पेपर क्लियर नहीं है वो भी है।
आज इंटरव्यूअर मेरे से पूछा, डू यू हैव एनी एक्टिव
अच्छा।
बैकलॉग? मैं बोली नो।
क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था इंटरव्यू में आज?
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, लास्ट में बताते हैं।
ओ अच्छा, नहीं तो इन्फोसिस वाला सुन लेगा कोई पक्का।
नहीं फिर बहुत लंबा है, बहुत सारा है, बताते हैं लास्ट में।
अच्छा, okay, so next property is the sub str and previous was sub string. Okay, keep in mind this thing. Okay, so in the case of sub str, what it will do, sub str is similar to slice, means all you can tell all are like brothers. Okay, brothers of the slice itself, but the difference is that Dharmender mute. The difference is that
सर समीर के माइक से आवाज आ रहा है, समीर के माइक से।
ये तो सो ही जाता है पूरा माइक ऑन करके।
सर आप मेरे को
Okay.
उसी टाइम से बोले जा रहे हैं, वही बोल रहे हैं कि म्यूट ही नहीं है, म्यूट और म्यूट है ही नहीं।
तो रो क्यों रहे हो तुम? Okay, so sub str, in the case of sub str, what it will do, difference is that the second parameter specifies the length of the extracted part. In the sense, previously if we was passing sub str and we was passing second parameter, like suppose slice method was there, we passing the second parameter, what it was taking in the case of there? In the case of slice, what second parameter was taking?
Sir, last
ending.
first to last, it is increasing.
Dot slice, fine, and here we was passing that was a start, comma, end. Correct. But here in the case of sub str, let part equal to str dot, one second, let me comment this. Yeah, sub str, what happened if it get deprecated? JavaScript stopped this one. One second. Substr from number length string gets a substring beginning at the specific location and having deprecated a legacy feature for the browser compatibility. Oh, they stopped this one now. Okay, so substr. Next, so what we will pass here? First will be a start index, as like that, but second will be not a start or end, it will be length. 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 For what length? The length of the extracted part. Clear? Means how much length, means how much total length value you want to extract, that you can pass in this case. Got it? So let's verify something. So let part, sorry, let part equal to str dot a sub str and pass here. Don't take this type of lengthy. Take apple, apple is a fruit. fruit. Now pass that. So okay. So I start value I taking from 0 itself. Let it to be. Now save and check. We got something? No. Why? Because variable is not there. So pass that part. Let's save. So we got the complete. Correct. Apple fruit. Pass the second thing. Pass something to. What you thinking? What will be the output? The second will be length. Length in the sense total length will be 2. Let's see what is the output. So A P means it started from the 0, but it ended by taking 2 value. Do one thing. Take 8. Now what will be the length? Length of the extracted part. What will be that? Length will be 8. Means the result what we will get now, that will be 8 length. I don't know, maybe. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So let's verify whether it's correct or not. So paste dot length. Let's see. So we got a total 8 length. Now pass here something. Pass 2 means what you thinking? What will be the output? Tell me first. Any idea? What will be output? Speak fast.
Yes, sir.
ELEISA.
What?
Yes, sir.
What are you telling?
ELAISA.
PLA
EISA.
EISA. Let's see. I think that is wrong. Because it will start from the second position. 2 is the starting index. A starting
Yes,
index
sir.
in the
We
sense.
take PPLE.
Yeah, that it will start
Yes.
from the P 0, 1. So only one P. PL E ISA, something like that. It will go, means it will go up to 8 character. And where is the fruit? 1 second. Yeah, fruit is also there. Na? SIA FRUIT. It will take only 8 character. Means not all, only 8. Let's save and let's see the result.
Sir, F.
So it
yes.
started from, see that. It started from PLEISAFR. Total it is 8 character because we had passed the length is 8. And from where that starting? Starting is from the 2. Got something idea? Others? Had you got? Not.
Yes, sir.
Let it do.
Sir.
Now by passing here 5. Now tell me what will be the output, and pass here 7. First explain the line of code. Wait, explain me this 5 and 5. What is meaning of this 5 and 5? First 5 will be
Starting is 5. Starting. And
Okay,
last is
that
end.
is a start. Fine. And the last is
Ending. It's E. E is showing in the output.
Shivani, something is mistake.
Oh,
Last
but
is second is
0,
not
1,
in
2, 3, 4, 5. I. Okay, I.
no. Shivani, something is wrong. Second 5 is not a last. Means second 5 is not a end.
Where is first last, sir? Where is first one going to last? Is last one count there, sir? 5, 1 to 5, sir.
Second is the length. See
Yes,
this.
sir. It's count from the last. Where first
Length.
parameter?
Yeah, it is starting
If you
from the
take
5th.
5.
It will start from 5th and it will go total 5 character. Got it? Because we had taken 5. Let's do that. 6 means it will start from the 5th. Got it? 5th position, and it will go total 6 character. It will take total 6 character. Means 5th, then 6, 7, 8, whatever, total 6 character. And let's see. So it will start from the 5th. See that. It started from the 5th. What is 5th character? So 5th is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Started. So it's taken from the I. Correct. So let's calculate from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to R. Sorry, it taken 6 character, na? Yeah. So up to U, it gone up to U because we taken 6 character. Clear or not? Anyone having doubt? Tell me. So what is the difference? If we will not pass this 6 character, what will happen? Anyone? If
Sir,
we
it will be a start. It will be a start from 5, sir.
Okay. And up to where it will go?
Full, sir.
Up to last, sir. Because
Yeah.
we didn't give
Sir.
any limits.
Correct. Because we had not passed any value, means ending condition. So let's check that also. Pass that. What happened? What get copied? Oh my God. So uncomment. So we taken only starting one. Length we had not given, so it will take the complete length. Correct. It started from the 5th and it gone up to last. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No issue, sir.
Next, go with the negative value. What are you thinking? Whether it will take negative or not? So
It is
let's
also
see.
not going to accept negative case, sir.
Let's see. So I pass 5th, means in the sense 5th will be a starting position. So it taken something. It given 5th. Correct.
Means
What is the total?
STR also is going to accept negative value.
Yeah. So sub STR will also accept that negative value. Fine. See that. So here we had passed that both value. Clear. So it slice out the rest of the string. And if you omit the second parameter, it will slice out the rest of the string because there is no length, so it will go up to last. If the first parameter is negative, the position count from the end of the string. See, the first will be negative, then position count will be from the end of the string. 1 second. Suppose that if we will pass a length in negative, what are you thinking? Whether it will work or not?
I think not work, sir.
It will work, sir.
No, sir.
Let's see. Who told that work? How are you telling length will be negative?
Yeah.
Got that? Got the issue? Length will be never negative. That's why it will not work. Correct? First
Yes,
position,
sir.
it will take the negative. First position, because that is your starting position. A starting position may be positive, may be negative, but length, you can't pass negative value. So never, please. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one point we had got in mind here in the special case that only first parameter can be negative value, but second is length, so it will be
Always.
negative. Clear? So second
Yes,
will
sir.
be never negative. That is the thing, and remaining all thing will be same. Up to here, anyone having any issue? Tell me. Fast.
No, sir.
No issue? Fine. Remaining, we will look tomorrow. This was actually, I can tell, most complicated one. Okay, means not complicated, confusing you can tell. Substring means slice, substring, substr. Please keep in mind that what substring is doing and substr doing. Okay, and substr and substring, what negative value they're taking, negative, positive, whatever. Then main thing which you have to keep in mind regarding the parameter, who is keeping what value, means after conclusion of this all three, what we can tell, slice and substring, okay, not substr, ignore substr, substring, both are approx same, but in case of substring, it not
It will
taking the
be
negative.
Yeah.
It will not take the negative value. That we can tell. Conclusion of that two, slice and substring. But now move to substr. Substr will take two parameters, means argument. 1 second. Regarding argument value, slice, substring, substr, all will take one argument also, two argument also. Clear? Second, negative value, slice will take negative, substring will take negative, and this one substring
take negative.
Substring will not
Sir.
take negative, sir.
Yeah, so substring will not take negative, so you have to take care. Okay, then substr it will take negative, but there is condition, second argument will not take negative because second is the length.
Second is just length. Yes.
Correct. Next, come to the what is the first argument and second argument. So in the case of slice, what is first and second? I start and
First is
Start
start
and
and
end.
end.
correct. Now come to substring. Just keep in mind, slice and substring is similar type. Okay, so slice keeping start and end same type, substring
And
keeping
negative
start
values.
and end. Substring keeping that start and end, but substring not taking the negative value. That is the difference.
Yes.
Correct. Now came to substr. Substr also keeping first and second value, but here the first value will be a starting index.
Start and second is the
Correct?
length.
And second is the length. Length in the sense from where to where it will go. Got it? So this is the major difference. And one more thing in all the concept, all three, these all will extract the value, means these all will extract and create a new string, and it will return the new string. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
whatever I
Yes,
had
sir.
summarized just now, okay?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
In sub-str, starting parameter given -2 and length we given 2, means it will be a start from 5 only after 2 digit.
1 second. How you telling it will start from 5? It will start from -5. And -5 means from where? First side or last side? Which side?
Sir, from left to right, sir.
Last side. Minus means
Yes.
it will from the last side. Okay?
Yes, sir, sure.
See here. End of the string. Got it? Negative.
Yes, sir, got it.
Clear? So negative will be always count start from the end. Okay? Yeah. So what was that? Yeah. So second value. So whatever we had summarized just now, if anybody in interview asking the question, whatever we had summarized in the last concept, that is the enough. After that, nobody will ask a new question in that case. Okay? But they will give you one example. You can summarize like that way. Clear? You have to keep in mind, make one table like what is sub means the difference between slice, substring, substr. Note down that these are all property. But I had already written here. See, this all things, same thing is there, but you can just modify. Let me do that also. I know that you all have no time. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. We have very busy schedule, sir. Nowadays.
One more day, it's required that cancellation of class. Schedule will be automatic. It become too busy. Just wait. So this is substring. SUBSTRING. Now just verify what is the problem here. Substring. Positive value it will take. Fine. Negative value?
No.
It will not take. A starting value it will take. No
Yes.
ending value it will be fine. Then substring method. Substring method will create a new string and it will return the new string value. Fine. Then a starting position will be from 0. Fine. What another thing we had discussed? What was that?
Is
Sub
not
string.
the negative value, sir.
Positive value taken. Okay, let's add here itself. It will not take negative value. Okay, anything?
Sir, what the meaning of line number 19, sir? Starting value, no ending value.
Yeah, means we can pass.
Mm-hmm.
You can take only one value.
We can pass no end value. Means a single argument.
Okay.
Means we can pass single argument also.
Okay.
Single argument. So in this case, Samir, put mask. Omicron is just spreading nowadays. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In this case, see a starting value. 1 second. Let's add here. Only a starting value. We can pass no ending value. Means we can pass a single argument also. In this case, method will start from first, means a starting value, correct? Starting index you can write or position, that will be fine. But it will end up to last. Clear? It will end up to last. I think these all are same. So second. What about third? What is the thing? This is
Sub-str.
Sub-str. It will take positive value.
Yes, yes.
Correct. It will take negative value.
Yes.
It will take negative value
At some condition.
only with first argument. Correct. Not with
Second argument.
second argument. Because second argument is
Length.
length. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's verify. Only a starting value, we can pass no end value. Means we can pass single argument. It's fine. Substring method. Substr method will create a new string. It will return the new string value. A start position will be from 0. Okay. One more things. It will take negative. That's fine. Correct. Completed. One more thing here you can write. FIRST. First argument
Is the start.
Will be
Start.
STARTING, starting position.
And
Correct.
second.
POSITION. Position and
Second would be length.
second will be length.
Sir, second
Second argument. Yeah.
Yes, second argument would be.
Second argument will be length. Yeah. Clear? I written all things. I think nothing is left there.
सर खिचड़ी बना दीजिए सर. खिचड़ी बना दीजिए.
कोई नहीं, खिचड़ी का दिन आ रहा है, खा लीजिएगा थोड़ा सा आप भी.
पापड़ चटनी के साथ.
नहीं, अचार भी चाहिए.
अचार भी नहीं है, कोई लाके दे दे तो बड़ी मेहरबानी.
घर पे आए भैया.
Okay.
अचार हम ला के दे.
सर इनके घर पे कुछ नहीं है, सोचिए.
सर हमारे घर पे है, घर पे नहीं है.
Okay, remaining we will cover tomorrow. Okay, and these all whatever we had discussed just now, please one time go through these all property. whatever still we had covered, like object, string, whatever we had discussed, still we covered approx 9th day. Okay, 9th or 10th day. See that now we are in the 11th day. Okay, so please you have to understand somewhat. If you now you're telling you have the problem in the function creating variable, then
Shoot
it
out,
will
sir.
be it will be acceptable.
नहीं हम तो समझ रहे शूट आउट कर दीजिएगा सर.
Put out. Just don't do the assignment tomorrow. You will see that.
Sir, I am speechless, sir.
You will get the real scene of Ukraine and Russia war here itself.
So,
Let's stop the record.
so
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good